This video is for any musician who has been impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic. Today we're going to be demonstrating a new feature which gives you the ability to upload any image to replace the image you have on Amazon Alexa for your music. So you'll click Learn More. If you've already created your account, you'll click Get Started. And you'll see now we have this actual profile page that's been generated. If you click on the account button on the nav bar, you'll see this is created by, this name is gotten from your email address. Then you have the actual email address. You've then got this display name over here which you can change. This is the name that is displayed inside of the Alexa skill store. So an example of this is at alexa.amazon.com. From here we can see a series of skills. Now they have an invocation phrase, but what you can change is actually this display name. So you can change this display name to whatever you would like. That way it can represent your brand better. So let's say that your actual artist name is Fairly Local, but let's say that you spell it F4I Fairly L0C4L. Now this would not be allowed in an invocation phrase, but it is allowed in a display name. So now we can save this, and now anytime we refresh, we have the display name updated to the Fairly Local that we like. Our phone number you can also change. So if you have a phone number or you change your phone number, you can change it to any phone number that you would like. And finally, we've got this Alexa invocation phrase. Now this is a phrase that you can share with your fans. Once your Alexa skill is live, anybody who says this phrase anywhere in the US will be able to talk to you on Amazon Alexa. Now the last thing we're going to talk about is the image uploader. So I don't like this image of wine bottles, so I'm going to upload a new one, which I think might look a little bit better. So we can see that nice little bar updates it, and then as soon as it's updated, all we got to do is refresh the page, and then boom, our new image is uploaded. Today we demonstrated changes to the profile page. Everything on here is now fully functional. The next two changes we're going to make are relatively more back-end focused. The first one, if someone logs in and they do not have a musician attached, we are not going to allow them to view this dashboard until they have created a musician. So we will bounce them away from here back to the login page, where they will then be able to type in the name of their musician. And the other one, when you do end up logging in, the new musician API does not save anything to our database. So we're going to make it so that it actually saves your user information to the database. If you've got any questions, let us know in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you. This is Sweets, signing off.